بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Greetings and love to all my dear country residents. The current state of Bangladesh, the condition of the country people, common poor people, and in the value of the poor. The only government needs country from all kind of chores. There will be no family and relatives in the politics of Bangladesh only. Leader, my dear leader who have gone out of the country, except the leader have not even worried outside the country that they have money, but how hard the grocers and workers are. This present state is very harmful and very dangerous all of poor people. I hope that my leader Sheikh Hasina must become back at country. He was